Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pluto TV app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Pluto TV app. You just click on search. Then here at Pluto TV app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you, when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here. So you just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do, just reset your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking